Proud by hearing the words of my mother, blessed to us Christmas. Kung saan ba ang kaya kong inisman? Our hearts of young hearts full of visions to please Satan, Reverenda in the Data, Catholic rights, for average of what we economic full of districts of the White Horse, for high and Fernandez, to our average board of school principal, Pilar S. Vitales, our guest of honor, the Dennis Figuran, to our teachers and respected members of the faculty and staff, who have tirelessly watched over us during our stay in the school, and to my friends, of course, to our dear parents, loved ones, and guardians, who have graciously supported us in all our endeavors, and to my friends, the graduating class of 2020-2024. A wonderful and glad moment. It's a vivid memory of the first time we stepped into the institution. We watched each other grow, made each other know, and held each other close. The reason we are here today, receiving our certificates, the ride was indeed long. Though it was never smooth to begin with, really lang siya ang nakakaroon na up and down. But a roller coaster at the same time for you to be able to ride. But then, life itself is not a roller. There are joyous moments, working celebration at play. Isa na sila ang pagkakanap sa stage karoon. Ito pag-order natin ang makikita ng kanyang communication. Dili lagi, matuwagam sa halo. At ng iba, moving a step closer for the tumututong na tao ay siya. Someday, your life will start during this time. To which I will declare, my life starts with you. However, you have to understand na susunod na kakauban mo sa isa. You will now part ways what you did to ang magsaksi. By doing so, ang padalang hapon ng ating mga pagkalisaho, mga sakripisyo, at mga kamitihan. As we will never know how near we are until we get there. Naboto ka na, ang padalang hapon ng ating mga kalaunan. As this will make us strong, wise, and brave enough for the good of our life. We may doubt ourselves. More about the future, or start losing our way, but we will get there. My mother once offered me a phone for a baking and upset, and hoping na magpatayo ng aking desire. Kaya ngayon, I will ask you the same question I've asked myself. Hanggang saan ba ang kaya niyo may mali? As we step on the bigger stage, let us have set the sky as a name because of no activity. We will continue to our journey, reaching as far as we can. And to everyone who are here today, receiving our certificate. To everyone who are here today, you are witnessing wings that are ready to soar higher. And so, I welcome you all to this next occasion which celebrates and ends and welcomes a new beginning. Thank you and good morning.